Foods that improve skin glow instantly. If you want glowing skin instantly, you don't need expensive creams or facials. Just head to your kitchen. Here are three amazing foods that can give your skin a natural glow from the inside out. Food number one is avocados. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats and vitamin E, which hydrate your skin and reduce inflammation. They also contain antioxidants that protect your skin from damage. Add them to your toast or smoothies, and your skin will thank you. Food number two is carrot. Carrots are packed with beta carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, an essential nutrient for skin health. This helps repair damaged skin, even out your complexion, and give your skin a radiant glow. Snack on raw carrots or enjoy them in salad for best results. Food number three is citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C, which boosts collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. Plus, their antioxidants fight free radicals, giving you that fresh, healthy glow. A glass of freshly squeezed orange juice. These foods don't just improve your skin, they nourish your body too. Make them part of your daily routine and you will see a glow in no time. Which of these are you adding to your next meal? Comment glow if you found this helpful and share it with friend who is looking for that natural radiance. Follow me for more quick and easy health hacks. Here is to glowing skin and a healthier you.